dong, hello, you got a new doorbell.
Yes, that is my voice. Why should it not be? This is my idea. At Doorbells and More, we got all different kinds of doorbells. Funny doorbell.
Knock, knock, who's there? Doorbell, ding dong.
International doorbell.
Bonjour, ooh la la, ding dong.
I can even do fancy doorbell.
Hello, wine and cheese, ding dong.
Oh, a doorbell for special occasions.
Ding dong, I'm getting married today. Hello.
Individual? Guess what? I know. We got a doorbell for every person. Just come up and ask me.
I bet you don't have a doorbell for people who like cars.
Okay, here it is.
Hong Kong, your doorbell, ding dong.
What about me? I like animals. Okay.
Ding dong, woof, bear.
And hello, it's Christmas. Why not try a holiday doorbell?
Ding dong, happy birthday, Jesus. I have to read my magazine.
Not unique enough? Be quiet. Everybody loves my doorbells. So come on down to Doorbells some more and get the fantasy doorbell of your dreams.
Ding dong, bing boom, okay, hey, hey, what?